that when I come back from Bangalore, I'll be sharing with you all the shopping that I did over there. So today I've come with a shopping haul. I'll be showing you each and every item that I bought from Bangalore. So are you ready for that? In this haul, I'll be including only things that I bought for myself. There are other things that I bought from my family members, for the kids and for other members of my family, but I won't be including all those in this haul. Only those things that I bought for myself, some clothes, some shoes, some other accessories. So let's not waste time and let's just jump into the video. So this one is a denim jeans. It is a loose fitted jeans. I've never worn loose fitted jeans actually. I've worn only a slim fit kind of jeans, but I wanted to try something loose. So I asked for mom jeans kind of jeans. So they showed me this one and it is kind of loose fitted from top to bottom. So I tried it on, it was really nice. I don't know whether it really suits me or no. It is a high-waisted kind of jeans. I'll put a photo of it over here. Just check it and let me know whether this jeans really suits me. Please mention in the comment box whether you like the fit of this jeans, because I'm still not sure whether it is really suiting me or no. So this is the first one that I bought, and along with that I bought this top. This is a kind of a crop top. It is cinched at it doesn't go till the waist. It stands little above the waist. So it's kind of a crop top. I like the color of this top actually. It's a beautiful green, mehndi green color with white print, and the sleeves also with a little detailing, net detailing on the sleeves, and there's a tie-up behind. So it looks really nice with the jeans. So just let me know whether these two go together and whether this jeans is really suiting me. I just want to be sure that's it. The next item is this beautiful kurti. It is a short kurti. It comes up to the knee. It's a beautiful pink color with a embroidery near the neck. I like the style of this dress actually with these details. So this is the second one that I bought. I wanted a black palazzo. I didn't have a black palazzo with me, and I found this in Lifestyle. This is a real wide bottomed palazzo, black color palazzo. Black color palazzo, I think we can style it with different things. You can wear it as it is with the t-shirt, or you can style it with the kurta and all that. It looks really nice. The next item that I bought is this top that I am wearing. This top is, it's a little thicker material. You can wear it when it is little cold, when the temperature drops a little, because it is a little woolen kind of a material, and I like the color, the beautiful green color. You must be thinking I brought different shades of green. That is also, the other top was also a shade of green, and this is another shade of green which I really like. It's a really unique color that I thought. And in Commercial Street I found these really cute little skirts. I don't wear short skirts outside, but I can wear them at home. This is one of them that I am wearing. This is a dark blue color, and it is a netted cloth. I will put up a picture over here. And similar to this, I have bought almost 10 skirts. Those are really cute little small skirts. I'll show you one of them. This is a black one, and the material is like a chicken curry kind of print. It looks really beautiful. I have the same one in white also. So I bought one in white and one in black. So this is kind of a very small cute little skirts that I bought. So these skirts, actually I have almost 10 of them that I bought from Commercial Street. So these skirts I normally wear at home. So I think the clothes section is almost over. The next one is this little bag that I bought. I don't remember which shop. It is from some mall. I think it's from Phoenix Mall only. I don't remember which shop I bought this. It costs around 1,600 something. And I like the color. It's a nice little light beige kind of a color. I wanted a backpack whenever you are traveling or you are going out somewhere. It is easy to carry. A little small cute cute backpack, and it has really good storage space also. Good storage space. You can keep all necessary important little accessories, things, cosmetics, phone, everything. So I like this bag. So this is one thing I bought, and then after buying this I carried this throughout the trip. Then I bought two shoes from Commercial Street. One is a white one, which is ankle shoes, white ankle shoes. So this is not branded or anything. I bought it from a local street shop. It costed me around 550. So this is a white one. I wanted a white one. And this is another one, a blue and white. This was around 850 rupees. This also I bought from Commercial Street. So this is another shoe that I bought. I can wear it with denims or something. And lastly, I bought this beautiful pearl set. It's an original pearl set. I bought this from a government authorized arts and handicraft store at MG Road. And it's such a beautiful set. I'll show you. The person who is running this shop actually makes it on his own. He designs all these sets on his own and makes these jewellery on his own. He uses these original pearls to make these jewellery. And I bought this one, this beautiful set. I'll show you. This costed me around 4,200 something. So I guess that's it. These are the main things that I bought for myself. I guess you liked the video. Please let me know in the comment section if you liked the video. And if you are still not following me on Instagram, I've given the link in the description box. Go there and follow me on Instagram. I am very active over there. I constantly put videos and photos in my Instagram page. So please go there and check it out. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon also so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So see you in the next video. Bye.